Good morning, guys. Today's video we're going to be changing starter on the 2006 Chevy Impala. It won't start, so gotta get a new starter in here. See how it just gives you that click. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, basically the car don't turn on, so gonna get it a new starter. So to change the starter, basically you just gotta take off this rod, which I already did. Then you gotta remove this box. Pretty easy. This one's missing a clip, but you take off this box, move it out your way so that you can get to the starter down there. And I don't know why, but it seems to me like this car don't got a filter. I might have to look into it. It's the first time I see a car without a filter. But before you do anything, you want to disconnect your battery. So I'm gonna take off the negative. Let me just touch some metal. I gotta deal with that. So these wires are stripped. But alright, so I went ahead and disconnected my battery, removed the box that was in the way, and now we're going to be removing the wires to the starter right here. And for this one, you're going to need a D-socket 13. It's pretty easy. I only want to pull this plastic down more so it's not in your way. Disconnect both these wires. And then you also have this one, has a clip on the bottom. So pretty much what you want to do is press the clip on the bottom and pull it out. And there you go, your starter is now disconnected. After you disconnect your starter, you're gonna wanna take out the bolt for the starter, and pretty much just twist one down there, that one. I already loosened them for the purpose of this video. Just gonna try to position this camera. And I just finished unscrewing it with my hand. It's right here. Because the space that it has right there is not enough space for the socket and the nut to fit for both of them to come out. So here's the other one. Buenos días. Let me just keep those on. Pretty much comes out on this side. You ready? The best starter. Two bolts. So here is a new starter and the old starter. Tell the difference. Obviously not the inside, but yeah, to put it back, all you gotta do is backtrack your steps, put the two bolts back on, connect your starter, reinstall this box, and connect your battery, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm done and start up the car. Alright guys, so I'm all done. I just tighten my battery. So that we can start the car. So basically I just put everything back the same order that I took it off. I do have this bar on here, but the screws are just on there just in case something goes wrong. I don't have to take them off all the way from the beginning. So I'm gonna give this car a start, see how it does. See if I fix the problem. And there you have it. Nice clean start on the first try. On the very first try, guys. Give it a couple of seconds since it's just warming up. Then what you want to do is probably just turn it off. You know, make sure you got it good. So now you're all done. You could go finish up, tighten up all the bolts, get everything done, and that's it, guys. I was changing the starter on a 06 Chevy Impala. Not too hard. You want to do it yourself, save some money. All I gotta do is tighten it up. And these are all 13. Thank you guys for watching.